Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I am doing a little styling tutorial and demonstration of one of the synthetic hair accessories. Why was that hard?
Oh my god.
Synthetic hair accessories that I got to do more styling videos and just to let you know what I think about the accessory. So after this talking part, you will see me putting this look together. So it's so simple. This is Rene of Paris Laine in the color Coffee Latte. Okay, and there is several videos on this wig, so you can go and look in my name brand wig playlist. So today we are using the Hairdo highlight wrap, okay, and it says
highlight wrap and add style and highlights in a flash.
This is in the color R10, which is Chestnut highlight. Alrighty, Roo. And I got this from Wig Outlet for $11.95, and then I had an additional 20% off. Okay,
so let's twerk our builder.
I don't know why I'm talking like that. Let's start with. I really like these types of wraps. They're basically like a scrunchie, you know. So it was really easy. I just pulled this part back, pulled it through here, and then I sort of clipped it down with some bobby pins just to bring the volume down just a little bit. I love the highlights. I think the highlights go so well with this Rene of Paris color Coffee Latte. I think it looks like it's the same hair. I just pulled out a little bit of wispy bang just to make it look a little bit more realistic. That's all basically I did, was like sort of pulled it back. It does have permatease, so it's already giving sort of that lift. I pulled it back, added a few little wispies around the face, and yeah, I think it's really cute. You know, just for on the go and looking cute.
Hey, I love it. Yes.
So let me know what you think of this style. I do suggest this particular hair wrap. I think it's nice and easy, whether it's a synthetic wig that you're using it with or if it's with your natural hair. It does really give a feel. There is a little bit of Brit to it, but I think it could be sort of multicultural depending on what your hair or wig looks like that you're using it with. And yeah, that's what I have for you for this. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. It also helps the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, it helps the algorithm, you know, because we want to try and grow our community here,
so we can talk about wigs all the time.
I don't know. I don't even know. All right, that's what I have for you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.